This just coming in, there's a report out of RT.com about nuclear aircraft carrier deployed to fight Islamic State. The report states, France is sending out an aircraft carrier to help in the fight against ISIS. The nuclear-powered submarine can carry over 20 fighter aircraft. Details are still coming in. I'll leave a link in the video description to the original story. Historically, France has had good ship technology. Recently, France has built a modern warship, but there has been some issues with its delivery. For more information on this and other stories, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for the most up-to-date news add me on Twitter, all one word, @GlobalPostWatch. Thank you.